Guys, what's up? My name is Cheryl and I am the activity author here to bring you another book inspired craft video. I am an author and I create easy kids crafts out of household items that are usually inspired by books by self-published authors. Let's get crafty. I can tell you that this craft got inspired by this page and all of Penelope's friends, so I decided let's go ahead and make them in this fun blow paint activity. Now you're going to have to water down some paint, and we've done blow paint on this channel before, but just not to this level. This is going to be so much fun. So I'm going to show you really quickly how I water down my paints. I just take literally like a teaspoon, put it in like a little container, put like literally not a lot of water, a very shallow amount of water, because you want it to be pigmented, okay? And then I'm just going to stir it until the paint disappears, and that is how I water down paint. So now that I have my watered down paint, I'm ready to experiment with different methods. I have these medicine syringes that I got from my kids' medicine bottles. You're gonna need a straw for this. So I'm giving my daughter a straw, and look, y'all, I tried to put it on there and look, it splatted. So I was like, no. So I stopped using the syringe. I'm just gonna drip it like this. And so my daughter's gonna blow it into the shape that she wants, and kids find this so fun. It is fun though. So she's gonna make the shapes of all of Penelope's friends as seen on this page, and then when it dries, we're going to design them and make our own. Now kids can make it look like Penelope's friends, or they could just make it look however they want, but anyway, you are making your own characteristic trait friends. So have fun with this. All right. Blow art, I realized these Q-tips all have a color. So parents, if you guys take your Q-tips and you dip them all in different colors, like different paints like I have, you can actually do this as well. This is a less messy way, but
ooh,
yeah, now you can make your determination.
Looks like, but
She's like a ovally.
he has circle and glasses.
Remember, kids can try to make their friends look like Penelope's friends, or they could be original and make their own friends. Now, if you're not a fan of using paint to create the friends, you can always use construction paper as well. Dr. Williams, if you do this at a school or a vendor event, take some construction paper and have the kids cut out their own shapes. That is another way to do this as well. So possibilities are endless. All right, so now our blow paint is dry, our regular paint is dry, and me and my kids are gonna get together and complete our monsters. This is gonna be so much fun. Also, you guys can use any materials you have around the house, like beads, googly eyes, bottle caps, whatever you have, and just, you know, accessorize your monster. Use markers, add arms, add legs. I can't wait to see what y'all come up with. Y'all please tag me when y'all do this activity. I want to see how y'all monsters turned out, okay? And here is Malia. She is my 4-year-old. This is her final look. This is Kimberly's final look. And this is mine. Now, Dr. Williams, I want you to notice I had to add another character, Perseverance, up there. I don't know, if you do a part 2, you might want to add Perseverance. So today's book is called Penelope and the Power of Positivity, written by Dr. Charnetta Williams and illustrated by Anastasiya Rudyk. If you like that kind of stuff, make sure you guys stick around, hit that subscribe button right now, so that way you can see every time I post. Click that bell and hit it to all. That way you're notified every time that I post, because I'm about to be cranking out content for y'all. I am dedicated and I am here, okay?